Let's talk about how I learn English. I don't know if I'm bilingual. Clearly my accent isn't perfect in English, but I know that I'm better than a lot of people in France. English classes in France are really bad. Well, the teachers are really involved, but the programs, it's not that. For my own experience, I took an option in high school called European class with 2 more hours of English a week, and that's how I learned the history of UK and USA, because you don't learn that in regular class. Then I watched a lot of video in English, for example from Casey Neistat, and I've even read books in English about cinema, screenwriting, storytelling, all my different passions, and I learned English by myself, step by step. I always loved English language, the English and American cultures, and making those videos helped me a lot to speak a better English. What do you think about that? Did you learn English by yourself? Are English class good in your country? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to know all the best places in Paris, you can get my map by clicking the link in my bio.